Hello there guys, Man of Minecraft here, and today I'm going to show you a new redstone contraption I have made. Some people have made it so that you can get infinite. Well, not infinite, but one thing when this is broken. What I've made is I've found out a way to actually make it pretty much infinite, or you can extend this out as far as you want. I'll show you how it works afterwards, but if you look here, break this, then press this, and there you go. Some of them are a little bit damaged when they come down. As you can see, this one's damaged, this one isn't, this one isn't, and yeah, just keep on going until it runs out. The way that this works is that usually it would be hard to make it so that it's exactly the right opening time, so only one falls down. What I've done is, since you can't actually push anvils with pistons straight off the bat, what I've done is pull it back very quickly, push it, so that means that while it's in the air, it pushes across and falls down. And there you go. So what I've done here is, here's a button, inverter, another inverter, just to do it. Here's a pulse thingy that I made, just a bit bigger than it should be, but oh well. Pulls back, then it pushes right here, and then pulls back, bonk, and there we go. If I just push this, you should be able to do the button. There you go, and that's pretty much all of that. And the infinite thingy. I think I'll make a tutorial or something on how to actually build it, but that'll be the next video. So if you like this video and you want to see more, subscribe, like, be awesome, be a waffle, be a slime, have diamonds, have emeralds, whatever, and I will see you all in the next episode. Bye. Oh, fail. Oh, button.